Commonwealth Bank of Australia started operating in 1912. It is one of the biggest banks in Australia. CBA's main business is operating around banking and finance, such as insurances, financial securities management, retails, and so on. And CBA operates the business in Asia, New Zealand as well. According to the ASX markets display, CBA stock price started from $25.91 to $97.14 over 20 years. In this year, it's a middle price in a rising trend position. In 5 or 20 years view, it is an increasing trend on CBA's value. Secondly, to look at its cash flow statement over last 3 years, CBA has enough free cash to operate its business. Then look at the balance sheet. The asset can cover its debts, which means the bankrupt will not happen there. And on the return on equity can estimate the return for the investors from 2020 to 2022. It all maintains in a stable level. This is tough for any business to do that, especially in first 2 years because of COVID-19. But CBA did maintain the investors' benefits according to the statistic, including return on asset and so on. Although CBA is relatively safe to invest, the ROE is not as high as some other profitable but high-risk industries such as medical, education, technology, and so on. And the bank industry's return is not that high because of the lower risk, lower return. After year 2020, the COVID-19 goes gentle, so the economy becomes better. Into 2023, all the business would like to go back to the position, and they need that a lot. Then the CBA will have more chances to gain more market shares to expand itself. However, there are many other banks which has a good performance there. So some banks like 4 big banks in Australia, each of them could be a dangerous competitor for CBA to watch. CBA need to maintain its strength all the time. All in all, I recommend keep holding or buying CBA shares because the whole world's economy is rising sharply from last 2 years' decades. And CBA also has potential to take this condition because of its stable and strong performance. The bank as a special financial institution has more chances to gain from deposits, debts, lending, or its financial operations under a positive economic environment. And CBA has very big amount of customers in the market. This will provide CBA with more space than others to develop. It also has a relatively high security level for customers' investments, which has been challenged by the pandemic. And the results have satisfied for the investors already. That's all. Thank you for your listening. Here are the references.